Here we got a hot tub that has a heater failure. So it says HTR flow fail. And I can't hear any pumps or anything like that. The overlay for this looks like you need a new one. So push pump 1. So I can hear it just clicking. So pump's not even on. So we're going to have to get to the spa pack underneath. Might be just a blown fuse. So I can hear the clicking, so that's the relay. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this panel, and normally the spa pack is underneath where the keypad is. Here I'm going to grab my tools. All this stuff. Grab our mat. Grab our fuses. I don't know which one it is. We're going to grab that. Get our multimeter. And my drill. So we got our panel off right here. And there's our spa pack. There's pump 1 that's not working, or it's not heating or nothing. Obviously it won't heat if pump 1 isn't working. So next we're going to take off this front door here. There's 2 screws. This spa pack here is a Balboa. So before we do anything electrical, we're going to turn the power off. Next, grab yourself a meter. So what we want is we're going to test continuity. So we basically just want, when we want our leads together, we just want it to beep. So we got to change that over. It doesn't have to be an expensive one, but I can link one down below. So normally when you test it on volts, normally you want AC, but continuity, you just want it to beep. Touch them together, we get that beep. Because it's kind of dark here, I have this light here. So right at the top is the fuse I want to test. So when I put the together, it beeps. So you put one on one side, you make sure the power's off, right? Put one on one side, one on the other. So you touch that, and nothing. So we're gonna pop that out. This is the old one. So I'll just show you. You push it together. So you got nothing. All information is right on there. As long as you never ripped it like I did. But normally it's a 25 amp, 240 volts. And you just can't buy them anywhere, and I wouldn't attempt to put any type of other fuse. You have to get this one here. You can get them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'll link the most 2 common ones. So there's the new one right here. And I'll just show you in a second here. So I'll put the new one. That's it. That's the new one. And I got the old one. The old one, no beeping. So let's put in the new one. So I got our new one in, and let's turn the power on. So just going through its programming. Let it do a thing until you see like a PR, and then just hit temp up. Just hit temp up. There we go. Pump's working. Oh, not enough water. Make sure you got enough water in there. Could be something else. We just got lucky that it was a fuse. But it could be if your pump's not working and that error code comes on. It could be a pump capacitor or an issue with the pump. It could be the relay, but I heard that clicking underneath there when I was pushing this. So that's a good sign when you're hitting this and you can hear it click as you're pushing this on and off. So usually if you hear the click, normally it's a fuse. Normally. Sometimes if you hear the click, it could be if you're not hearing anything from this pump either. So sometimes you can push pump 1 and then you'll hear your pump like, you know, humming, sometimes like a really low hum. A lot of times you got to take this panel off just to hear the pump. And it's going to be the pump that pushes the water through this heat tube. Because any problems or any codes that come up on your hot tub, it's all the sensors in here. It's not going to be this pump over here. This pump 2, it has nothing to do with this. It's only plugged into there. But any error codes, like flow, sensor problems, the heat turns off, it all depends on this pump running. So you got it running, so you just do the reverse, put the door on, put your panel back on, balance your water, get water in it, and then there you go.